Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Lily's English podcast. Have you ever had a flight canceled at the last minute? It is very frustrating, isn't it? Today, we talk about a new plan that helps airlines avoid this problem. The news is about fuel shortages and flight changes. Let me tell you the story. Airlines need fuel to fly. The United Kingdom gets most of its jet fuel from the Middle East. But there is a war in that area. The war stops ships from bringing fuel to the UK. Experts say there could be a fuel shortage by summer. This means airlines might not have enough fuel for all their flights. Normally, airlines must use their airport slots at least 80% of the time. A slot is a time when a plane can take off or land. If they do not use the slot enough, they lose it. Other airlines can take it. So sometimes airlines fly with many empty seats just to keep their slots. Now the government has a new plan. Airlines can cancel flights 2 weeks early because of a fuel shortage. They will not lose their valuable slots. This helps passengers because they know earlier if their flight is canceled. The government hopes this will stop last-minute problems at airports. Now let's look at the key sentence. I will read it twice. First time, just listen. Second time, listen and repeat in your head. Airlines can cancel flights early if there is a fuel shortage. Now let me explain each part. Airlines can cancel flights. This means the companies that fly planes can decide not to fly. Early, this means before the planned day. So airlines can tell passengers 2 weeks before. If there is a fuel shortage, this means if the airlines do not have enough fuel. Together, the sentence tells us that new rules let airlines cancel flights in good time when fuel is low. Now let's focus on one very useful word: shortage. A shortage happens when there is not enough of something. For example, a water shortage means there is not enough water. A food shortage means there is not enough food. In our news, a fuel shortage means not enough fuel for planes. Listen to this sentence. There was a water shortage last summer because it did not rain. Another example. The store had a shortage of bread, so I could not buy any. A common word partner for shortage is fuel shortage. You can also say water shortage or food shortage. These are all useful when talking about news. Now let's see if you remember. I will ask a short question. Choose the best answer. What does the word shortage mean? A, not enough of something. B, too much of something. C, something is broken. D, a new rule. The correct answer is A, not enough of something. A shortage means there is less than people need. Great job today. Keep learning English from the news. See you next time. And remember to subscribe to Lily's English podcast for new lessons every week.